everyone dreams of having their own Jarvis. So I actually built one. Hey Jarvis, how are you, bro?
System online. Sir, I have analyzed all the codes properly and send you on Telegram after check.
This is version 1 of my personal AI assistant. It can listen, respond, and perform every fucking task exactly like Jarvis. Nice, thank you so much, bro.
You're welcome, sir. Anything for you, sir.
This is not some complex 10,000 line of codes. It's a lightweight AI brain I built using Python and a lot of sleepless nights. What is the time and what is the weather in Malibu?
Sir, it's 9:45 p.m. and 16 degrees Celsius in Malibu, California. And rain prediction 0%.
Okay, play any random video of Mr. Beast.
Opening YouTube and playing any random video of Mr. Beast.
This is only the beginning. The version 2 of my Jarvis will have a lot of features like face recognition, custom protocol mode, or maybe it can even control my world room. If you want me to release the source code or build the next upgrade, tell me in the comments now. Welcome to Live Lab.